In this how-to video, we're going to review mirror. A review of the design of this part notices that we're missing a fairly important feature on the other side. So what I need to do is create that. I could go through the same workflow, but it's actually easier to create a mirror. I have a number of options under Construct. I'm going to be selecting the midplane. I'm going to be creating a midplane between that face and the face on the other side. And there you can see that plane has been created. Over in the browser, under Construction, we can see the name of the plane. In my case, it's Plane 3. Next thing I want to do is go to Create, Mirror. In the Mirror dialogs, I can change the pattern type. In this particular case, the default is fine. So select what I want to mirror. Then I select the mirror plane, and that was that mid-plane that I created. Click on OK. Go back to the construction folder and turn off the visibility of that mid-plane. And let's just orbit that, rotate that around, and we can see that the mirror has been created.